You got to be creative when you're working out at home. You got to find somewhere to attach the band to. I have a coffee table, so I'm going to stick it on there. Here we go. Go ahead, have a seat. Sit right in front of it so it's lined up to the center of your body. Hold on tight. Legs together and straighten them out. Okay? You can put them a little straighter even. Beautiful. Chest up, sit up nice and strong. Shoulders are down. He's going to pull inward with his elbows as close to his side as he can get them. Okay? Breathe in on the way out. Blow out on the way in. When you bring it in, I want you to roll those shoulders back this way and squeeze that upper back as hard as you can. Also, I want you sitting up straight, perpendicular to the floor. Don't bend back and forth, especially when you get tired. I don't want you moving back and forth. Look at his neck. He's nice and straight. His wrists are straight. They're not bending. They're not moving back and forth either.